So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Whatever time of the bloody goddamn day it is for you. Oh, I hate this bit of road. For me, it is 6:15 on a Wednesday evening. 2nd or 3rd of June, I think, not quite sure which. Shall have a look. 3rd of July, sorry, not even June. And you join me through the back end of Hanbury. And this is what I believe Hanbury Hill. And in front we have Graham on the Vulcan, and we have Lisa on a CB500 SS, which is the exact bike that I asked for information on. And then somewhere in front we have Rob on his CX500. Rob also has the DeVal. Although he's both of his fork seals went on him the other day. So he's dropped the forks in there at Arnold's. So yeah, he's brought the 5X out today. So yeah, this is not Lisa's first ride, back after about, I think since said like 30 years. She's been out a couple of times, she's done some refreshers. So yeah, I think it's a big, a first ride with more than just Rob. So it's going to be a nice steady ride over to Burton. So I thought whilst we're doing it steady and the wind's down and it's nice, I've got bikes in front of me, it is the perfect time for a moto vlog. So for this moto vlog I am going to do a challenge, and this challenge is set by, well, I was nominated by Hippodromes. I can't remember who set the challenge, and that's the 3R challenge, which is 3 reasons why you chose the bike you chose. So as I said, Hippodrome's nominated me, and I think he wants me to do it on the 500X. Based on the, that's the bike he mentioned. So I'm on the 500X, so here we go. So in no particular order, why did I buy the CB500X? For the right, it was the right money, right position. So there's 2 reasons why I brought the 500X, and the 3rd reason, it's a bit of a childish reason, but it is one of the main reasons. And yep, you guessed it, it's that exhaust note. So I'd seen a video, the dealer sent me a video of it running, and although it was in the showroom, didn't really rev it hard, it was enough to get me interested. And then when I took it out for a test ride, I instantly fell in love with the exhaust note. It was a big selling point because of course I would have put a can on it, so it's just a slip-on. I'd have put a slip-on on it anyway, even had it not had one on, but it would have just been a further down the line purchase. So the fact it came with one saved me about 500 quid. So I was looking at Caburg, Scorpion. I'd actually never heard of Pipeworks, and this is the street legal can. It does have a BSAU number, but it turns out, despite being printed on the tip of the can, it's only valid when the baffle is in. And if you couldn't tell, there's definitely no baffle in this. And it came like that. So if Mr. Officer ever goes, "Your bike is too loud," it's, is it? That's how the bike came. I know, baffle's only 20 quid, so if need be, I can pick one up. So that's it. That's the 3 reasons why I brought this specific CB500X. So I believe it's now to nominate 3 people. So for my 3 nominations, I nominate Old Man Tony. He has the Triumph Tiger 800. It's an A2 compliant bike, believe it or not, with a restricted kit. But he's like, no offence Tony, but I think you're long past the A2 days. So yeah, and that, basically I went to record this video. I was struggling with who to nominate, and I recorded this the other night, but it was a bit windy, it was a bit too bright, and me and Graham just ended up in front, just ended up having a bit of a mad one, and I kind of just lost the flow of it. So that will be suitably binned in replace of this one. And just as I was filling up, so did it, I was filling up, then I was going to do the nomination bit. Old Man Tony commented on a video of mine. So thanks to him commenting, he's now got himself nominated. My second nomination will be Mr. Phil 480. For those of you who don't follow Mr. Phil 480, why the hell aren't you? He's one of the bigger vloggers here in the motovloggers in the UK, and he has 2 bikes. He has the GPZ 500 and the is it the 800 or the 900 Scrambler Triumph. So yeah, a video of why you purchased one of those, any bike. And then third and finally, I nominate everybody that watches me, or as well as everybody that has found my channel, subscriber or not, if you just come across from Mr. Hippodromes or any other of the people doing the challenge, then hello, welcome, consider yourself nominated. So yeah, that's it for now. I've actually enjoying this back slow bimble through the housing estates of Burton. Ah, bit of banging, bit of poppage. So yeah, until next time, take care, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.